since we have gone deep into this world, right, they gave us 2 belts, not 1, right? They gave us 2 belts because it says, actually, where's my other champion? I'm taking full credit for this, but Jorge's not here right now. But look, we got 2, and these are like heavy. They invested a lot of money on this. Keep into account, please, that you have worked so aggressively on your world of social media, Messenger, WhatsApp, ManyChat, texting, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Instagram TV, stories. Then you now have these people on the journey. And if you don't take advantage of that moment, it's going to become that much more difficult to justify the investment of social media advertising and what you're doing to really build your business. All right. So OCU was a great tool that just got developed, which solved the problem of ClickFunnels being the only one actually doing this. And they did it really well. So now they have opportunities that you can do and you can integrate. So in this area right here, you can present offers, you can do upsells, downsells, cross-sells, and you can do other things to make sure that that cart becomes as valuable as possible. You want to take a cart that averages $40 AOV, which is average order value, and you want to turn it into a $55 or more AOV. It's an opportunity right there, guys. And that is the purpose of what we're talking about today with one-click upsell. And that's what we've done over here over the years. And that's why, let's see the belt. Steve? I had never seen this before, and I think they're pushing this right now. But since we have gone deep into this world, right, they gave us 2 belts, not 1, right? They gave us 2 belts because it says, actually, where's my other champion? I'm taking full credit for this, but Jorge's not here right now. But look, we got 2, and these are like heavy. They invested a lot of money on this, right? So these are what they call the $1 million OCU merchant. Simple apps, more profit, Zipify, all right? So again, obviously I'm an affiliate for the software, so I do want you guys to go for my link because that's gonna be helpful. Not because I need the income, but because I love to play games and do awesome things. So I'm gonna give you guys a link for you guys to sign up at some point if you guys want that, because it's not expensive, but if you can turn a $40 purchase into $55, a $90 purchase into $120, a $15 purchase into $21, no matter what that is, you can see how that's going to increase dramatically your return on the advertising spend, all right? There's many things that you can do. It doesn't really end with this world right here, but this right here, this period between credit card being added, shipping information being added, and the thank you page is your #1 obsession. That once you have people through that journey, you want to focus on bringing them into this place. All right. So let's go through the slides very quickly. All right. So here's an example of revenue from post-purchase upsells. All right. So look at this one right here. So this is just one of the accounts. You can see that we have this thing turned on over here. Revenue from post-purchase downsells, it's also turned on. All right. And then revenue from pre-purchase upsells is also turned on. We'll talk about that more. And look at this, $109,000, almost $110,000 extra in revenue just from having this thing set up, all right? So specifically here, what do we got? I don't know if you guys can see that well enough. I'll read it for you. No, you can't. But it says, this one says, revenue from post-purchase upsells, $68,000. Revenue from post-purchase downsells, $40,000, a product which has a lower price, all right? Revenue from pre-purchase upsells, $3,000. We're testing that out right now. We haven't done enough of it yet, but we'll give you an idea on what that is throughout the coaching program, all right? So year to date on this one, $55,000 in this one right here, all right? So just from this year so far. And you can see here, this is on the Natural Slim one on our Shopify channel over here. I can see specifically which ones are producing the most. So I have a funnel name. For example, this one is called, we're getting this zoom in. This one is called Candiseptic. It's one of our products. It's whenever somebody buys a product, like let's say they buy the magnesium powder, all right, which is an important product that we use for the actual calming of the system. Well, we offer this one right here, all right? This is a magnesium product, okay? Well, whenever they offer that product, then once we have the credit card on file, we present this offer here. And we say, look, Candid Septic Kit, and this is how it's gonna help you. And let me explain to you why. And here's a video that tells you about what this product is. This is a one-time offer right here. This offer is not gonna show up again, all right? So make sure that you keep a close eye, because take a good look, because once you get out of this page, you're not getting this offer back. It is a one-time offer, what they call an OTO, all right? So Candid Septic Kit has a 4.7 conversion rate, and it has given us $30,000 in revenue. If you look at the Magic Mag, we're selling the Magic Mag here. Other products that have not actually, when somebody has not purchased that product, it has a lower conversion rate, 1%, but it still gave us $14,000, right? Metabolic vitamins gave us $8,000, 7,000, 6,000, 5,000, 5,000. You get the idea. This helps us produce a lot of money overall. Look at this one right here, number 10, personal program, right? Almost a 10% conversion rate, 10%. We are offering a $360 program as an upsell, and it has converted at 10% whenever we have offered it. It's been shown only to 772 people, and 10% of them have converted, and we got a $5,000 revenue from that. I mean, it's absolutely amazing, all right? So OCU utilizes Shopify's product tags to dynamically trigger upsells you create. So it's based on the tags inside the Shopify channel. You give your upsell product special tags that OCU will recognize. For example, upsell 1, then you create an upsell funnel in OCU. You decide which product or products will trigger this funnel. Then you tell OCU that when somebody buys this product, show them upsell items with the special tag, upsell 1, all right? So in other words, you create an upsell funnel, add a product to that funnel, and then add that upsell tag to your store products, right? Once you do that, one-click upsell replaces your Shopify checkout for any carts that contain at least one product with an upsell tag. So this is important to know, guys. This is going to be your checkout. That's why it's a merchant itself. You're not going to be using Shopify payments, or you're not going to be using Apple Pay or anything else. This is going to be your processor. Zipify becomes the merchant processor in this particular case when they go through that process themselves. This allows you to show upsell offers immediately after someone completes their initial purchase on the OCU checkout. They can then add that product to their initial order without having to re-enter payment information. A quick note here, OCU will process orders for products that have the upsell tag, whether someone takes the upsell offer or not. So if somebody says, no, I don't want it, thank you very much, which is a big percentage of them, I'll pass. Well, you can present a second offer, maybe a downsell, and they say, okay, fine, I'll take the Magic Mag. I'm not gonna buy the $360 program because I think that's too much money, but I'll buy the $20 magnesium powder. Okay, great. Regardless of whether they accept one of the offers, both offers, or zero offers, the checkout becomes OCU because they're already on that checkout process.